So what are some of the most impressive real world applications of agentic AI that you have seen?
Recently, because I didn't buy this product, but I have seen all the reviews and the other things. But it is very, very right. I mean, it has to go a long way. I
Hmm.
have seen two products. One is which is very famous in the agentic AI process, that is a Rabbit R1. So it's a very, very no, um, it's a very usual plastic material. The Rabbit R1. It is a square shaped, I guess. The pink color one, the only one color they have introduced. So what it will do, if I wanted to, book a restaurant, so you have to just interact with this device, and it has its, a SIM card, and you have to, have a SIM card in this device, like a cell phone, and through this, you can I mean, because obviously internet is mandate to have to work autonomously, and this device, the as per the agentic, the AI part, it is really working fine, but it has to go a long way. Some flaws in this, tool are there, but they are improvising. But this is the most the kind of an innovative tool, especially a particular agent. And this tool not only book a restaurant. This will book your flight ticket. This will, you can wherever you are, you'll be able to book even world a tour, and also you can book a hotel, I mean restaurant, wherever you are, and the payment gateway is also done through this, and everything has been verified automatically, and it's just very, very small device, and you have the scrolling kind of a wheel is there. But I mean, some of the design wise, it is not very appealing, but the functionality of this Rabbit R1 is really amazing. Whatever the agentic, the functionality which has to be done, it is taking care of everything, and everything else. One more thing, this device, you know, maybe if you wanted to, I mean, if you're just going some other country, you are seeing some tree or a plant or something, and you wanted to know what is this name of the tree or something, and you can just take a picture and ask. So already it is there in Google Lens, but it is not a handy. I mean, you have to have a lot of other things as well, and it's just very, very simple task, but still it is also there. So just for an example, I'm just saying. So this agentic, in the sense, everything is automated. So there is no, right from the beginning and also the end of the process. It will just, you have to give your time slot. So say for instance, this weekend I wanted to book a table in your restaurant. Then you have to say the time. That's it. Everything is, voice response. So you don't want to go to the screen, and you don't want to touch. You don't want to, you can interact, and it will also interact with you like a human being.
Hmm.
So that is interesting. And this is, one of very, very famous one. And the other product, which I used to tell these days, it's a world number one, the go-to market product, that is called GTM, one Omni, that is from landbase.com. Recently, I met this CEO,
Hmm.
on my podcast, and he has, introduced to the world the number one, a sales, getting the lead for sales and marketing. If you are having any product for your business, you need to have a lead.
Hmm.
So without lead, it is very, very tough to reach out them, and converting. I mean, the other part is conversion too. And getting the lead, we need to spend so much of time on digital marketing, right? And even that, getting the lead is not going to be that much easiest task.
Hmm.
We have very specific on
Hmm.
Facebook ads or Google ads,
Hmm.
right? Even LinkedIn ads. There are so many. other things, how to reach out to the your customer, or I mean target customer or target audience. But
Mm.
this landbase.com, it is an exactly, the agentic AI product, which is, doing, you will be getting the leads for
Mm.
a sales and marketing, so that you can improvise your
Mm.
uh, the, the revenue, and also your sales, your profit, and so on. So that's what he's saying. Getting the lead from this tool is an automated process. So
Okay.
he has done around 5 million use cases, or 5 million test cases for getting how they are getting the leads.
Mm.
And yeah, the training part of the agentic AI is very quite challenging. But
Mm.
for a simple use case scenarios, everyone can create very simple agents, like how to do any kind of homework
Mm.
from the schooling perspective. Whoever is going for schooling from a school, um, either for CBSE or the state board or whatever the board you are, and if they are getting some homework, it has been done by the kid, the child can take help from the special agentic AI, which is only work for their standard, and also the other standards as well.
Mm.
So whatever the specific task that you are going in depth, and
Mm.
again it depends on the training data and how much training you are giving, and how much process you are taking care. And again, the infrastructure cost you more to train
Mm.
these models. Okay, so that is also there. But a very very simple training processes. If you say, for instance, I have written so many books. If
Mm.
I want to create my own database, I can
Mm.
create using these agents, because
Mm.
I will just create database using my books, and I can create questions, Q&A, puzzle. There are so many other things as well. I can create one more engaging content through my book. Okay, that is also possible. So whatever you think you can do
Yeah.
through agents, but it will take some more time for the training, and it costs you more, depends on the problem statement which you are taking in.
Mm.
Yes.
I can see why that's so important. There are a lot